Classic Southern Peach Cobbler. Get ready to taste the sweetness of the South. Our classic Southern Peach Cobbler recipe is a treasured family tradition that's easy to make and impossible to resist. Let's make it. Bismillah. Step 1. Peeled and sliced ripe peaches. 2 cups of sliced peaches. Half a cup of brown sugar. 1/2 teaspoon cinnamon powder. 1/4 cup of water. On medium heat, mix well. Bring to a boil and simmer for 10 minutes. Remove from the heat. Step 2. On 350 Fahrenheit. In a 9 inches baking dish. Put 4 tablespoons of butter. And place in oven to melt. Step 3. While oven is preheating and butter is melting, combine these ingredients together. 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour. 1 teaspoon baking powder. 1/4 teaspoon salt. 1/2 cup of milk. 1/2 cup of brown sugar. Combine well. Pour mixture over melted butter. Do not stir. Pour peaches with syrup. Batter will rise to top during baking. Bake for 25 to 30 minutes on 350 Fahrenheit. Remove it from the oven and enjoy warm peach cobbler with vanilla ice cream or whipped cream. If you like this recipe, kindly like, share, and subscribe for upcoming recipes. Thanks for watching.